I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make a beautiful sofa in Minecraft. Let's start with the basics. First, place 3 stair blocks next to each other to form the main seating area. Next, attach 2 signs to the outer sides of the end stair blocks. These will serve as your armrests. Finally, add 2 item frames with wool blocks on the back of the stairs to create comfortable cushions. This simple design forms the foundation for your stylish new sofa. Now, let's add some decorative flair to your sofa. You can enhance the backrest by placing banners directly behind the stair blocks, offering a patterned or colored design. For a more finished look on the armrests, attach trapdoors to the sides of the signs. Remember, experimenting with different wood types for your stairs and signs can significantly change the overall feel, allowing you to perfectly match your room's existing decor. Ready to expand your seating? You can easily craft a corner or L-shaped sofa by connecting 2 of your basic sofa designs. The key is to ensure the corner piece is a stair block facing inwards, creating a seamless and inviting join. Don't be afraid to utilize different block materials for each section, perhaps a darker wood for one side and a lighter one for the other, adding visual interest and unique style to your living space. Finally, let's personalize your sofa area to make it truly yours. Consider placing carpets or rugs directly in front of your sofa. This adds warmth and a lovely texture to the floor. To create a cozy ambience, incorporate potted plants or bookshelves nearby. And for that final touch, decorate the wall behind your sofa with paintings or banners, adding visual appeal and completing your beautiful Minecraft living space. Enjoy your new, comfortable creation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.